Alright, we're going to be learning about percent problems and word application problems. The first problem is you're investing $450 in an account that has a 4.8% interest annually. And the question is how much money will be saved up after 15 years. So you're going to set the problem y equals a and then 1 plus r in parentheses to the t power. A represents your starting amount, r is the rate of interest, and t is the time that it's going to be saved over. So 450 comes from the $450 you start out with, and the 1 is there automatically, and then 0.048 represents 4.8% interest, and then 15 is the number of years that it's going to be stayed over. So you're basically going to type that into your calculator and do the math, and it comes out to $909.14, which would be the total amount after 15 years. So if you want to find out how much you earned, you're going to subtract the starting amount from the ending amount. So you ended out after 15 years with $909.14, so you're going to subtract that from the beginning amount, being $450, and you get $459.14, which will be your total earnings from investing. The next problem is 50% of all boys at a school like the color red, 35% of all girls at a school like the color red. There are 300 boys and 250 girls at the school. How many students like the color red? So you're going to start out with 300 boys and 50% of them like red. So you're going to do 300 times 50%, or 300 times 0.5, and that equals 150 boys that like red. And then there are 250 girls, and 35% of them like red. So you're going to do 250 times 35%, or 250 times 0.35, which equals 88 girls that like red. You're going to add together the boys and the girls that like red, so 150 plus 88, and you get 238. And then so you end up with 238 students that like the color red. And over here with the girls, when you add that out, you're going to get, when you multiply 250 by 0.35, you get 87.5, but you can't have 87.5 students, so you round up to 88. And that's all.